Thank you for choosing the InLight Lighted Mirror. In this video, we will show you how to install the product step by step. For smooth installation, please read the instructions and make sure all tools are ready before you begin. Turn the power off at the fuse box and turn the wall switch off. First, measure the mirror bottom on the wall and mark it. It should be at least 3 inches away from the faucet. Use the level to draw a horizontal line. This will help you locate the mirror bottom later. We will install the product horizontally in this video. Align the mounting template with the horizontal line. Mark all 5 horizontal holes on the template and then remove it. Before installing the mounting bracket, we recommend drilling pilot holes with marked spots. This will make driving the screws into the wall easier. Align the holes on the bracket with the pilot holes and hold the bracket in place. Drive in the screws. Make sure they all sit firmly inside the wall so that the bracket will hold the full weight of the mirror. Now let's connect the wires. Pull the power supply wires from the junction box. Strip 3/8 of an inch of bare wire. Place 2 wires of the same color together, black to black, white to white, green to copper. Twist the wire nut clockwise to lock them. If you're not sure the wire nut is completely secured, pull on it a bit to ensure there's no loose connection. Then, tuck all the wires back inside the junction box. Now, lift the mirror slightly higher than the mounting bracket, push it against the wall, and slide it down. Make sure the back plate slides into the bracket. Turn the power at the fuse box back on. Turn on the wall switch. Tap to activate the light. Press and hold the button to dim the light to your desired level, and then remove your hand from the button. This model comes with a defogger to help you see clearly in a steamy bathroom. The lighted mirror is now ready to use. Thank you for watching.